there, Dash here. To reveal my secret treasure, find the times that match, like these clocks showing 12 o'clock. Ready? What time is this?
3 o'clock.
And this?
3 o'clock.
Do we have a match?
Yes. 9 o'clock. 6 o'clock.
Do we have a match?
No. 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock.
Do we have a match?
Yes.
There's just one match left.
6 o'clock.
What is our secret treasure?
An alarm clock.
That's right. Emmy has our secret treasure, an alarm clock. Now go to pbskids.org and see what happens when you find today's secret treasure. Thanks for playing. Gotta Dash.